Hi everyone, this is Chandimediri Surya. Today I'll be presenting my final assignment for FNT 102 on the topic Blockchain Enabled Identity in Fintech aligned with Privacy by Design Principles. This presentation explores how blockchain can solve major challenges in fintech identity management and how it's integrate privacy at its core using the Privacy by Design framework. Let's begin by looking at the key ideas behind the report. Executive summary. This presentation explains how blockchain addresses weaknesses in traditional systems, which are often centralized and vulnerable. Blockchain introduced decentralized and user control model using like decentralized identifiers, variables, credentials, and digital wallets. These allow individuals to securely and selectively share their identity data. The report also explores how blockchain naturally supports 7 principles of privacy by design. Real-world examples like Civic, Estonia's e-residency program, and Santander's show this model is already in action. Identity crisis in fintech. Current identity system in fintech face serious challenges. They are centralized, which makes them attractive target for hackers. We have seen this with Equifax and Capital One breaches. Onboarding is also repetitive and frustrating. Users upload documents again and again, creating friction. Regulation like General Data Protection Regulation and Personal Information Protection and Electronic Document Act demand data minimization and consent, which centralized systems struggle to meet. Globally, over a billion of people still lack formal ID, which means the current model doesn't scale, especially for underserved market. How blockchain identity system works. Blockchain introduced a new model of identity, decentralized and user-owned. At the heart are decentralized identifiers, we call DIDs, which are unique self-managed identity keys. Variable credentials, we call VCs, are issued by trusted sources like banks or governments or stored in digital wallets. These wallets let users control access to their identity data. Blockchain ensures this process is transparent and tamper-proof. Identity verification becomes faster, more secure, and entirely under control. Privacy by Design Principles. Privacy by Design, created by Dr. Anne Cowell-Kane, outlines 7 principles for embedding privacy into system design. These include proactive security, making privacy the default, full life cycle protection, and keep system user-centric. Blockchain identity system align perfectly with these principles. Instead of treating privacy as an afterthought, it's become a part of architecture, which built from the ground up. The result is a system that both private and functional. Real-world example of privacy by design in blockchain. Let's look at how these ideas play out in real life. Estonia's e-residency program is one of the best examples of proactive digital identity. Citizens and residents are using blockchain-backed ID that logs every access real time. The Civic app allows users to prove their age over 18 without sharing their full ID, and only necessary information is verified. Hyperledger Indy use pairwise decentralized identifiers, meaning a different identifier is used with each entity, so interaction can't be linked together. This strengthens privacy even further. And Santander, a global bank, partnered with Every9 to pilot blockchain-based KYC onboarding. It's drastically reduced processing time while giving customers control over their data. This example shows that blockchain isn't just a theoretical, but it is practical already being used. Key findings. Blockchain identity system align seamlessly with all 7 privacy by design principles. They enhance user privacy, ensure regulatory compliance, and streamline onboarding process. By shifting control to users through decentralized identifiers and variable credentials, this system increases both trust and efficiency. Real-world application from Civic to Santander demonstrate that blockchain-based identity is not only secure and user-centric, but also highly functional in fintech environment. Challenges. Despite its promises, blockchain identity adoption faced several challenges. Regulatory uncertainty in some regions slow down implementation. Many legacy systems are not interoperable with blockchain-based solutions, creating integration barriers. Additionally, general awareness about self-sovereign identity is still low, and complex digital wallet interface may discourage everyday users. Overcoming these challenges will require collaboration, education, and better user experience design. Recommendation. To move forward, fintech firms should start by piloting blockchain identity solution, especially for onboarding or KYC. It's also important to collaborate with regulators and privacy experts to ensure compliance. User education is key. People need to understand how to use digital wallets safely. Companies should adopt globally standards like W3C decentralized identifiers to ensure compatibility across platforms. And finally, investing in user-friendly interface will help drive adoption across all types of users. Conclusion. In conclusion, blockchain offers a secure, decentralized, and user-first identity model for fintech. It solves privacy and control issues of traditional systems, while fully aligned with privacy by design principles. Real-world cases shows this is already happening. While some challenges remain, blockchain identity represents scalable, compliant, and ethical future for digital identity in financial services.